This is the video Communicating 5. And the first thing we'll take a look at is more about asking questions. And the particle nitsuite, which means about, is useful when asking questions. So for example, Nihon bunka ni tsuite chotto kikitai koto ga arimasu ga, which means there is something I would like to ask about Japanese culture, but is it okay? Or another example, Nihon no kisetsu ni tsuite skoshi setsumei shite kurimasen ka? Would you be kind enough to explain a little about Japanese seasons? The next thing we'll take a look at are three particles that mean only. The first one is dake, and this means only in an objective sense. So gakusei dake kimasu, only students come. The next one is shika, which is used with negative forms, and this means the situation is less than ideal. So gakusei shika kimasen, only students come, and this is not good, or this is less than ideal. And the third one is bakari, and this means nothing but, and this is often indicates exaggeration for the purpose of emphasis. So gakusei bakari kimasu, nobody but students come. And as I've kind of put in the brackets there, this may not actually be technically true, but you're kind of exaggerating it for emphasis. Now we'll take a look at some useful expressions, and the first one is jitsu wa. This means actually, or as a matter of fact, or the truth is, and this has quite a strong meaning. So jitsu wa dekimasen, actually, I cannot do it. The next one is tashikani, which means definitely. So tashikani muzukashii desu, it is definitely difficult. The next word is an e-adjective, kowai, which means scary. So sore wa kowai hanashi desu, that is a scary story. And the next one is another e-adjective, kawaii, which means cute. So sore wa kawaii ningyo desu, that is a cute doll. The next one is another e-adjective, urusai, which means noisy. So koko wa urusai desu, here is noisy. If you scream this out loudly at people, it means be quiet or shut up. And the next one is an adverb, toriaizu. It's a bit hard to translate this into English. It means something like first of all, or for the time being. So toriaizu kohi o nomimashou ka. First of all, shall we drink coffee? The next word is nakanaka, which is an adverb. This is used with negative forms, and it means not easily or hardly. So sensei no hanashi wa nakanaka wakarimasen. I can hardly understand what the teacher says. And the next expression, betsu, is a na adjective. As a na adjective, it means different or separate, as in betsu na hito, a different person or a separate person. In its adverbial form, it is used with negative forms and means not especially. So betsu ni ski jarimasen, I don't like it especially. In everyday speech, people often leave off the negative part and just say betsu ni, which means not especially. So do you want to go? Ie betsu ni, no, not especially. The next word, shimpai, is a noun that means worry, and it can be turned into a verb by adding suru. So shimpai suru means to worry. So shimpai shitemasu, I am worried. And the next word is bikkuri, which means a surprise, and again you can turn it into a verb by adding suru. So bikkuri suru means to be surprised. So obake o mita toki bikkuri shimashita. When I saw a ghost, I was shocked or surprised.